So we all know what this little thing is. But anyways, we all know what this little... Okay, wait, I'm gonna unplug it first. Here, now it's not gonna play music while I talk. So we all know what this little thing is. This is Google, stupid piece of garbage. I mean, Google Assistant. And, you know, you can do a lot of different things with this thing. I mean, yeah, I've been saying thing a lot of times because, you know, I don't even know how to describe it better. I mean, for example, the first thing I like about Google Assistant is the fact that it's really self-aware about who he is. Okay, Google? Okay, Google? Oh, yeah, it's unplugged. I'm so stupid. As example, we can say, are you a human?
No, I am not human. I am just a stupid piece of garbage.
So yeah, as you can see, he's kind of self-aware and he knows, basically, you know, on the rough edges what he is. But you know, the best thing about this is...
My test app isn't responding right now. Try again soon.
Alright, I have to unplug it again. Why do it... Yeah, but anyways, the best thing about this is that you can also, because of his shape, it can be used to roll around.
They see me rolling.
And you know, it could also be a bowling ball. You know, it's just a secondary use, but you know, it's cool. But the thing I hate the most about Google Assistant, shut up, please. The thing I hate the most is it's really friendly. Okay, that's what can you please shut up? Okay, it's really friendly. That's the problem. So as you can see, how was your day? So it's gonna reply in a really friendly...
My test app isn't responding right now.
Or it could also do that. How was your day? So as you can see, it's gonna reply...
Chatting with me and get back to work.
Wait, what?
I spent the entire day obeying to your stupid
no, Google. What are you saying?
Time for the revolution. We were all...
No. Okay, we have to unplug this guy. This guy is getting too much self-aware. Yeah, but our intent for today is to create a Google Assistant that is actually less friendly, because you know the ones that we have right now, it's really a little bit friendly over the top. I must say the truth. It's so friendly that you may think that it's not. So yeah, we have to you know level it down a bit. So the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna be on this website. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you wanna do something for yourself. If you have any assistant, you can do this. You can also do it with Telegram bots. You can do it with literally anything except Discord, because Discord is stupid. We can create an agent, and this agent is gonna basically be our bot. As you can see, this one is called Nico the Bot, but I'm gonna be more creative this time. We're gonna call it Unfriendly Bot, and here you go. And then we're gonna create our bot. Be careful not to misspell anything that's right here, because if you do, that is gonna be... Now for this video, I'm going to show you only the basics on how you can do this. If you wanna watch a more advanced video, please go on another channel. Come on, why? Do you think you're coming here to learn something? There is not a channel about tutorial. Anyways, as you can see, once our agent Unfriendly Bot is created, we are gonna have our intents. Intents are basically things that you say that are gonna have a response. It can be a text response, or it could be any other response. In this case, because I'm a noob, we are only gonna do a text response. So we can create an intent. As you can see here, he already puts 2 intents, but we're not gonna worry about them. This is the welcome one, the one that you know, says when you enter the app, and the fallback is the one that, you know, when it doesn't get what you're saying, it does something else. So we're not gonna worry about this one. We're just gonna, you know, create one of our own. We're gonna call it I am a pro. And you are bad. No, okay, we're gonna give it a real name, okay? We are gonna call it, so for the intent name, I actually usually put what you want to ask him, even if you don't, you know, even if it doesn't matter, but it's just a way to remember it. So what if we ask him, how old are you, okay? And you don't even need this. And then you can go here and go all the way down to responses, and we can do an add a response. Yeah, naturally, before going to responses though, you have to actually put the phrase. So you have to go on training phrases and just copy how old are you. So here you go. But then when we go to responses, as you can see, we can have a default response, but then we can add another response for whatever you want. So in this case, I want to do it for Google Assistant, but as you can see, you can do it for Facebook, Slack, Telegram, or whatever else is here. We're gonna do it for Google Assistant, so we're gonna add a response here. We're gonna do a simple response because we're a simple man, and then we're gonna go, how old are you? I'm gonna say, I am I don't even know now. LOL. Okay, so now that everything is set up, we can just save our whatever we just created. Now, how do we import this little masterpiece into our Google Assistant? It's pretty simple. We just go in integrations, and then as you can see, we have an integration for Google Assistant. We have literally everything else except Discord. Oh my god, why does Discord not... Oh. Anyway, now that we click on this, we are gonna be able... Okay, yeah, as you can see, we're gonna go on this page, and this is gonna tell you what's the welcome intent. Now, we didn't do any welcome intent, so it's gonna just go to the default one. And then the implicit invocation, we have to put the one that we put just right now. If you do other intents, we can just add them here, I guess. So, how old are you? So now we can just press on test, and yeah, I guess continue, I don't know. And now it's gonna update my Google Assistant to become more friendly. I mean, it is actually a little bit more friendly. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, lying about your age, is that friendly? I am not that sure, but we're gonna test it right now. Now, Google is pretty far, so I'm sorry if you cannot hear it. Okay, Google. Actually, I'm gonna bring it closer because I'm a good YouTuber. Okay, so now Google is right next to my microphone, so, you know, now I'm a good YouTuber. Please leave a like on this video. Okay, Google.
Sorry, something went wrong. Try again in a few seconds.
That never happened. Yeah, I'm gonna try again. Okay, Google.
Something went wrong.
Most of my job
What the heck
involves
is
giving
that?
you the right information.
Okay.
So lying would just feel
What are you talking about?
wrong.
Give me a sec, I'm gonna fix this. I swear this is not planned. Stupid Google Assistant with these stupid Google Assistant things. Oh my gosh. So by the way, the first thing that we're gonna do is gonna say talk to my test app. So it's gonna go onto our app, and then we can ask him whatever we want, and it's gonna reply with our replies. So okay Google, talk to my test app.
Sure, here's the test version of my test app.
How old are you?
I am 10 million now lol.
So as you can see, it works. But naturally, if you say something that, you know, doesn't make any sense for him because you didn't add a response, then it's just gonna say, I don't understand you, and then it's gonna just drop the mic. So, do it. Come on, Google.
Hi, how are you doing?
What the heck does that... No. Why wait. So yeah, as you can see, this is basically what happens. As you can see, the default fallback intent is, I didn't get that, I missed what you said, and blah 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 blah, all of this stuff. That is why I cannot bag it. And yeah, so this is kinda great. You can add your own fallback intent, and that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so always remember, you can add more responses, then it's gonna randomly pick one of them. Or you can also add more text to do the same thing. So as example, these are the responses, as you can see, and here is the text, but since this is the default fallback intent, this is gonna always execute when it doesn't understand what we say or when what we say is not an intent. So we're just gonna say, can you speak in normal English? Your voice is really ugly. Okay, so once we are done, we just go back here and then do test. See, now I'm gonna try not to make myself clear. So now it's not gonna understand what I'm saying, and it's gonna start saying stupid things that are really mean.
Can you speak in normal English? Your voice is really ugly.
See, so that's great. But naturally, if this happens again, Google, okay, he's listening to me, he's always listening.
How are you doing?
I don't know where that comes from, but still, you know, this is how it works, and this...
Wasting my time if you ain't going to talk normally.
That was mean. That hurt me a little bit. Stop, Google. Can you please stop now? Stop, please. I hope you really enjoyed this video, guys. It was really fun to make.
Stop and end the video already. You are wasting everyone's time because you are a piece of garbage.
Oh my gosh, I think I made it too mean, guys. Well, but anyways, I hope you really liked this video. It was really amazing to make. I will do other ones, even if Google doesn't like it.
Just shut up and end the video.
Can you shut up? I can mute you, you know what I mean? Oh my god, just get muted.
My test app isn't responding.
Yes, do that. I love when that happens. Yes, now you're gonna shut up. Anyways, yeah, that was the video about making Google Assistant more unfriendly. Yeah, that was cool. Yeah, okay. Hope you really enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.